You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. Let's look at how to pronounce what are probably the most mispronounced Italian words of them all. And believe me, I know what I'm talking about. So, two very delicious dishes from Italian cuisine. The top word is not bruschetta or bruschetta. It's pronounced in Italian, the Italian pronunciation, bruschetta. Bruschetta. You have a double T, so insist on this one. Bruschetta. In English, bruschetta. Bottom word, gnocchi. Gnocchi. Italian pronunciation, gnocchi. In English, similarly, gnocchi. Bruschetta, gnocchi. It's easy, and now you know. More videos here for you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.